Let's delve into the uses of carrots in foods and drinks. Carrots are a versatile and nutritious vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes. From savory meals to beverages and sweet treats, here are some uses of carrots in foods and drinks. Uses in savory dishes. 1. Salads. Raw carrots add a satisfying crunch to fresh salads, often paired with greens, nuts, and vinaigrettes. 2. Soups and stews. Carrots are a foundational ingredient in broths and hearty stews, lending a natural sweetness to the dish. 3. Stir-fries. Carrots are a staple in many Asian-style stir-fries, adding pop of color and sweetness. 4. Roasted vegetables. Carrots can be roasted with other vegetables like Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, and cauliflower. Uses in beverages. 1. Carrot juice. A vibrant and revitalizing drink extracted from fresh carrots. 2. Carrot smoothies. Carrots can be blended with other fruits and vegetables for a healthy smoothie. 3. Carrot-based soups. Carrot-based soups like carrot ginger soup or carrot coconut soup make for a comforting and nutritious drink. 4. Carrot kombucha. Carrot juice can be used to make a flavorful and probiotic-rich kombucha. Uses in sweet treats. 1. Carrot cake. Grated carrots are a key ingredient in traditional carrot cake recipes. 2. Muffins and bread. Carrots can be added to muffin or bread batter for added moisture and flavor. 3. Carrot cookies. Carrot-based cookies are a popular treat, often made with grated carrots, oats, and spices. Uses in snacks and appetizers. 1. Carrot sticks with hummus. A classic snack combo that's healthy and delicious. 2. Carrot and celery sticks with ranch dressing. Another popular snack combination. 3. Carrot-based dips. Carrot-based dips like carrot and ginger dip or carrot and avocado dip make for a tasty and healthy snack. There you go. As we have uncovered, the carrot's journey from a wild, medicinal root to a global culinary star is truly inspiring. Its rich history, incredible nutritional value, and versatile uses remind us that sometimes, the simplest things in life hold the greatest treasures. Don't forget to celebrate this vibrant vegetable in your meals today. You may want to take a cue from this little bunny here who loves his carrot. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop your comment, like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the foods we love. See you in the next one.